Have you ever heard of the term mind the gap? I first heard of this term when I was in London and riding the train or the tube. Mind the gap is an auditory warning for passengers to watch out for the gap that exists between the train itself and the platform. What's beneath our feet tells us how to move, slow down, navigate, or even mind the gap. Notice how the teacher has positioned this rug. It is at an angle, and the way it's positioned and the place it's been put in the classroom shows and sends messages to the children about how to navigate the classroom. They can navigate around the outside of the rug because there's space all around the outside of the rug. A visual message just like mind the gap. As Teddy Roosevelt once said, keep your eyes on the stars and your feet on the ground. What's beneath children's feet is very, very important in helping them reach for the stars.